So in this free video series natin, papakita ko sa inyo exactly step by step kung paano kayo makakapag-launch ng sarili nyong white label e-commerce funnel. So ano nga ba yung white label e-commerce funnel? So, quick backstory lang no, before we dive right in. Remember before nag-start ako sa e-commerce, I used to sell mga generic items. Ito yung mga makikita mo sa Divisoria, sa mga kung saan shop lang na made in China. So I used to do that, and we were doing well, nakakabenta kami, we're getting sales, millions of sales, no? But then we encountered a problem. As time goes by, unang-una, yung mga naging customers namin, wala ni isa sa kanila bumalik at bumili ulit. Bakit? Because the product is number one, overpriced. The product can be found sa Lazada, sa Shopee. So pag bumili sila and they see the product, check ko nga sa Shopee to, check ko nga sa Lazada to, and they see yung price is malayong mas mura. And that happened. We made money. Yes, we made money. Kapag-deliver kami. Pero we also made a lot of customers regret buying from us. So dahil doon, wala nga nang bumilik ulit. I had to find a way. Sabi ko, how can we make our products stand out? Paano tayo magsa-stand out? Paano natin gagawin na magkakaroon tayo ng customers na bibili ulit sa atin, itatangkilik yung products natin? So that's when I discovered from my friend, best way to do that is to differentiate your product. And you can do that, number one, is by creating yung sariling brand. Pero ang problema ko nun, if mag-create ako sarili kong brand, it takes too much time. Hindi ko kayang i-give up yung oras na yun para makapag-manufacture, makapag-create ng product. And then, lang income na pumasok sa company namin. So, naisip ko, is there any other way na pwedeng gawin to na mas mabilis lang? So, doon na pumasok yung idea ng white label. So, basically, a white label product is isang getting a winning item, winning product, okay, or isang product na natutulog lang dyan, wala masyadong bumibili or hindi pa na-market masyado, then, babrand mo siya. Lagyan mo sarili mong packaging, sarili mong label, sarili mong logo, sarili mong marketing assets. When we start doing that, we started selling, no? So, I had to find multiple ways. Kasi, before, sa general items, no, it's very easy to sell. Makakapagkuha ka ng mga videos online, makakagrab ka, and then you can use that video, no? Pero, dito kasi, you have to make your own marketing strategy. So, doon ako na-challenge. Sabi ko, I have to learn this. Kailangan ko matutunan kung paano mag-create ng mga sales funnels talaga, paano mag-script ng videos, paano mag-write ng ad copy para maibenta yung product na meron ako. Another challenge na gusto ko is, I want to be able to sell this as quick as kung paano ko na-ibenta yung general items. Kasi yung general items, nabibenta ko kaagad yan. Set up ako ng ad, set up ako ng store. 3 to 4 hours, malalunch ko kaagad yan. So gusto ko, maibenta ko din tong white label product ko ng ganun kabilis lang. Kasi I cannot wait for yung organic nga, hindi ko kaya maghintayin hanggang ganun. I want to sell as quickly as possible. Nung nangyari yun, I learned through trial and error talaga. So may mga times talaga na hindi ako nakabenta, nag-invest ako ng maraming stocks, nag-inventory, and then wala akong nabenta. Ginawa ko is I reverse engineered it. Paano nangyari yun? I started to create yung marketing assets muna. Meaning yung ads, yung videos, yung ad description, funnel, yung sales page. Di mo naintindihan to, you will learn everything that I'm saying down the line if nagsisimula ka pa lang, okay? So, nung ginawa ko yun, wala pa sa akin yung products again. I started selling using that strategies lang. And then, nung nakakuha na ako ng sales, nung tinest ko na yung product, tinest ko na yung marketing assets ko, that's when I started to manufacture or to order bulk ng product. So, I call it the minimum viable funnel. In fact, I'll show you a product na ginawa namin just for 3 hours out of boredom. No? So, backstory nito is, we were eating buffet kami ng friend ko tsaka ng family ko. No? And after that, bumalik kami ng hotel room. Sobrang bored kami ng kaibigan ko. Sabi ko, tara, gawa tayo ng white label funnel. So, nangyari is we look for a product that's winning and then gumawa kami ng white label. Ginamit namin yung minimum viable funnel. And then, after 3 hours of doing it, nung 12 a.m., nilaunch namin yung first ad namin. And it went on to generate 19,000 nung first day niya of selling. 19,000 sales. Okay? So ngayon, overall, it went on to, it's now generated 800,000 pesos in sales. Okay? Ayan na siya. So again, dapat mas malaki pa dito yung sales pero ngayon naka-stop yung ads. And the reason for that is because naubos na yung stocks namin na naka-white label. Okay? But again, this product is just a simple medyas na nakakatulong sa neuropathy. Okay? So, again, this product has generated 800,000 pesos in sales. Ang brand name is Dr. Comfort. Okay, ang kagandahan dyan is we are now receiving repeat purchase. Nakaka-receive kami ng mga taong gusto umorder ulit. Nag-ask ng iba't ibang colors and we are getting good reviews sa product na to. So, yun ang kagandahan kapag naka-white label ang product mo. And in fact, I can show it to everyone. Nakapakita ko sa inyo kasi alam ko, you cannot just easily duplicate this. Okay, so yun ang kagandahan dyan. Okay, so ito yung papakita ko sa inyo sa buong training. You're gonna learn kung paano mo ito magagawa from scratch and how we were able to build this sa loob ng 3 oras na nakakapag-generate sa amin 800,000 sales almost automatically. Okay, so yung minimum viable funnel, ito yung naging way para matest ko yung mga white label e-commerce products ko. So in fact, actually ngayon, hindi ko na siya masyadong iniisip. Okay? Again, this is the best way na gagawin mo if you want legit product na pabalik sa iyo yung customers mo, number one, and masiseparate mo yung sarili mo from the other products na meron sa Shopee, sa Lazada. This is the best way to do it. Number three, kung gusto mo mabilis na sales ka agad, kung gusto mo na mabilis na traction sa products mo, if you want to learn how you can sell it almost instantly, parehas na sa general items, this is the best to do it. So, para kanino ba to? Want to sell white labeled products, or kung nagsisimula ka pa lang sa e-commerce, or gusto mo mag-start ng isang business, this is the best to start. Kasi dito nakakapag-build ka ng sales, mabilis, nakaka-build ka rin ng assets mo, which is yung customer base mo. Number two, if advanced ka na, tulad ko before na may general items ka na and you're looking for a new process, separate your products from competitors, especially sa Lazada at sa Shopee. This course is for you. Kailangan mo to. This is your ticket para makalabas ka ng general items. Ang cash cow na sinasabi natin na yan. Ang mangyayari sa training na to is mag-release ako ng video every now and then. So, siguro once every 2 days, ipopost ko po dito sa playlist na to. Sure, sundan nyo lang yung playlist ko. At panoodin nyo agad yung video once I release it. To do that, kailangan lang i-tick nyo yung notification bell sa somewhere sa YouTube channel ko, no? And subscribe para kapag nag-release tayo, makikita nyo kaagad. Again, if you've done the steps, kung nakapag-ano ka na, notification bell ka na, tsaka nakapag-subscribe ka na, comment mo sa baba para makita natin. Para makapag-respond ako sa inyo. Okay? So, sa next video bukas, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung case study ng isang white label product na ginawa. So, i-breakdown ko muna yun bago natin ituro yung steps. Okay? So, see you sa next video. Abangan natin yan. Thank you.